Have you ever Googled, "Am I rich yet?" Let's be honest, who hasn't? But that search probably just sent you down a rabbit hole of fancy cars and mansions, not exactly helpful. The truth is, financial security isn't about instant riches, it's about understanding your financial health. And that all starts with one key thing, your credit report. Your credit report is like a financial resume, a detailed record of your borrowing history. It tracks things like credit cards, loans, even how timely you pay your bills. This information is used to calculate your credit score, a 3-digit number that lenders use to assess how likely you are to repay a loan. The higher your score, the better your creditworthiness, potentially unlocking lower interest rates and better loan options. So, keeping an eye on your credit report is crucial. But the good news is, you can access it for free. In this video, we're diving deep into how to check your credit reports with Equifax and Transunion, two of the major credit bureaus in the United States. Now, before we jump in, a quick heads up, there are actually 3 major credit bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and Transunion. While we'll be focusing on the first 2 today, remember, you're entitled to a free report from all 3 bureaus annually. Alright, back to the free checks. Let's crack open Equifax first. There are 2 main ways to snag your free Equifax report. The first is through annualcreditreport.com, a government-backed website specifically designed for this purpose. We'll talk more about this site in a minute, because it's actually the key to grabbing free reports from all 3 bureaus. The second option is through Equifax itself. They offer a free report through their website, but there's a catch. It won't be available weekly like with annualcreditreport.com. This might be a good option if you just need a one-time check, but for regular monitoring, annualcreditreport.com is the way to go. Now, let's move on to Transunion. Similar to Equifax, your free Transunion report can be obtained through annualcreditreport.com. But Transunion also offers an additional perk, free weekly reports directly through their own website. This can be handy if you want to keep a super close eye on your credit. Here's the beauty of annualcreditreport.com. It's a one-stop shop for all 3 bureaus. The site is secure and user-friendly, walking you through the process of requesting reports from each bureau. Just remember, you can only request 1 free report per bureau per year through this site, but with the option to stagger them throughout the year, you can basically monitor your credit quarterly for free. Now, a quick disclaimer, while your credit report is free, some bureaus might try to upsell you on credit monitoring services or additional features. These can be helpful, but they're not essential. Just stick to the free report option and you'll be golden. Once you have your reports, what should you look for? Keep an eye out for any errors or inaccuracies. These can negatively impact your credit score, so it's important to dispute them if you find any. The credit bureaus are required to investigate any disputes you file, and if they find the information is wrong, they'll have to correct it. Here's the bottom line, checking your credit report regularly is a smart financial move. It empowers you to understand your creditworthiness, identify potential problems, and ultimately, take control of your financial future. So, what are you waiting for? Head over to annualcreditreport.com and grab your free reports today. Remember, knowledge is power, and when it comes to your credit, that power is priceless. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.